In this lesson, I will explain to you the concept of determined variable expressions. Before going to start the questions, first of all, I will explain to you the two terms, variable and expression. What is the meaning of variable? What is the expression? A variable is represented by a letter which is unknown, right? So wherever you will see in maths A, B, C or X, Y, Z, because sometimes we have to find out the value of A, B, C, X, Y, Z, S, T, U, whatever, any letter you can use. This is called the variable, right? So a variable is represented by a letter which is unknown, while the expression is a group of numbers, symbols and variables that represents another number. So I will show you in the next slide what does it mean. See, this is our question, m minus 13. So m is the variable. You can use any variable, that is why I use different letters. So you should be familiar that we can use any letter. So here is m, this is the variable and we have to find out the value of m. And here is 13, m minus 13 is called the expression. Right, so wherever you will see m, you have to plug 20. You have to put the value of m, which is 20. So easy. So m minus 13 means 20 minus 13. Suppose you have $20 and you give $13 to your friend. So how much is remaining? 7. And this is the answer. This is called the expression. Right? So what is the definition of expression? Expression is a group of numbers, symbols and variables that represents another number. Right? Okay, one more question here. Find out the value of the expression. This is the expression and 18 minus u. Now u is the variable and its value is 10. Right? So you have to put 10 instead of u in this question. So it will be 18 minus 10. Suppose you had 18 candies and you give 10 to your friend. How much is remaining? So is 8. So simple. And this is the expression. Third question is same question. You have to find out the value, find the value of the expression, and this is s plus 2. So the value of s is 4. So wherever you will see s in the expression, you have to plug 4. So s plus 2 means 4 plus 2, which is equal to 6. So simple, and this is the answer. Next is find the value of the expression. This is the expression, but you should be very careful about the sign. So this is division sign. Be careful. It is not minus or positive. It is division. So you have to multiply 12 divided by q, and the value of q is 3. So wherever you will see q in this expression, you have to plug in 3. How? See, 12, and how you will show this division? This is the division line, and instead of q you can write down 3. So 3 1 time 3, 3 4 times 12. This is the 4 is your answer. If you want, you can use the other way, 3 and then divided by 12 like this. So you have to tell when you will get 12 in 3's table. 3 4 times 12. 3 4 times 12. So what is in the middle? 4. So 4 will go in the quotient, and here we will write down 12. Then we have to subtract. It is cancel out and 0. So see, 4 is the answer. Find the value of the expression. Now what this expression is called? Dot. Dot means multiplication. Whenever you will see dot in math, it means this is multiplication, and the value of c is 2. So wherever you will see in this expression C, you have to put 2. So 2 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 20. So this is your answer. Right, so in this lesson you have learned the concept of variable and expressions, and here are some practice problem for you, and answers are also available, but please do the question first and then tell your answers. But still, if you have any question, you can write down in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel Saima Academy. Thanks for watching.